Do you want to know how to make the perfect sublimation mug for the holidays like this one? Look how amazing this sublimation mug is. Super cute and super adorable. And I want to thank Go To Craft Auto Tumbler Press for making this sublimation mug pop like it does. You guys, sublimation mugs are really popular, especially for the holidays. So if you're interested in getting gifts for teachers, family members, for friends, then this video is for you. Once again, we want to shout out the Go To Craft Auto Tumbler Press because, baby, it is everything. So if you're interested in learning how to make something like this, then make sure that you stay tuned. Hey now, it's your girl Shanita Nicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Y'all, you guys should know by now how I feel about this Go To Craft Auto Tumbler Press. And if you don't, you're about to find out. We designed this cute mug inside of Canva, and then we pressed it with this Go To Craft Auto Tumbler Press. It came out amazing, as you guys could see. I'm going to show you step by step, so make sure that you watch the entire video. So let's just jump right into the video. Let's go. And the links, of course, will be down in the description. Hey guys, so we are inside of Canva, and I'm so excited about this project. So the first thing that you want to do is we are going to go to the main page, the home screen of Canva, and what we're going to do is go to custom size, and we are going to change the units from pixels to inches, and we're going to type in 7.7 inches in width and 3.7 inches in height. Later on, I did change it to 8x4, okay? And then you would select create a new design, and then voila, there is the design, okay? But since we've already done this, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the image that we've already done. And then we are going to start on a new page because we're just going to recreate this really cute and festive Christmas design. So we're going to go to the second page, and then we can start off by adding the elements or the colors. It's completely up to you. For this one, we'll just start off by adding the background color, which is this color yellow, pound FFE0A3 or hashtag FFE0A3, okay? That is the hex color. Every single color that you use has a designated color so that you can use the same color for everything, okay? So we're going to go to elements, and we're going to type in Christmas. We're going to type in Merry Christmas first, okay? And then you could just look and see which Merry Christmas that you like. There are tons of them, really cute. I'm going to select this one because I love it. It's really bright and festive. And then you can type in Christmas background, Christmas decor, Christmas tree, whatever you like. When I typed in Christmas decor, this cute Christmas tree popped up. And I was like, okay, I love that Christmas tree. All right. And then there's tons of really cute things. Oh, I should have added that. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. But anywho, we're going to just go and stick to what we actually used. I then typed in Christmas lights. Okay. I knew I wanted some really cute Christmas lights. And, oh wait, those aren't the lights I use, are they? Are these the lights I use? Nope, these are cute though. I might like those better, but those aren't the lights I used. I'm going to go to the specific lights that I used. So I'm going to go to recently used. And these were the lights that I used. So the way you'll know the lights I used were sketchy, hand-drawn, colorful Christmas lights, okay? And by Sketchify Mexico, okay? That's who, and you can look up Christmas lights, illustration. These are the keywords to find these particular lights. You could star them if you really like them. You could add them to a folder or see more like this, okay? So these are the lights that I used. And then the only thing I did was I stretched them out to go across the whole picture. And then I duplicated them, and then I brought them down at the bottom. Okay. And then I scooted the Christmas tree over, and I put that position to the front, and I made it a little bit larger. And then I brought my Merry Christmas, and I went to the position for the Merry Christmas and brought that Oh, wait. My Merry Christmas, I brought that to the front. Okay, and we're going to bring our Christmas tree forward. I want it behind the Merry Christmas, but in front of the lights. Okay? So we have the Merry Christmas there. I went to edit, and then I went to shadows. I went to outline, and then it was black. So I went to the color, and I changed it to a really nice Christmassy red. Okay? A bright red. All right? And that's the hex code for that specific color shade of red that I used. And then I went to elements. And then I went back to Christmas. I didn't put bow, but we're going to go ahead and put bow. And a ton of cute Christmas bows came up. And you could do multiple Christmas bows, whichever bow you like. This was the one I used. That one is velvet. That's really cute, but that's not the one that I used. And then I made sure that the Christmas bow went from the side and the top right there, kind of over the light. And then I'm going to go to gingerbread. And then you could pick whichever gingerbread you like. There are tons and tons of cute ones. And this is how I designed it. Now, I did, of course, measure that the portion of the mug was approximately 7.7 by 3.7. And after I printed it out, I found out that the image should be 8 inches in width by 4 inches in height. So I fixed that, okay? So it can cover the exact portion of the sublimation mug that we're sublimating on. So I did one like that, and voila, I created it. Oh, wait, we forgot the gifts, y'all. Even though it looks cute without the gifts, but we forgot the gifts. Okay, and you can pick whichever gifts you like. You could have put them up under the tree, and that's what I did. I did flip the presents around, and then I ended up putting them up under the tree versus on the side because it just looked a little bit better for me. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and download it. I want it to be the best quality, so we're going to make sure the pixels are as high as possible. And I'm only going to download the second one. And then we're going to upload to our Silhouette Studio, okay? Once we're inside of Silhouette Studio, I am going to select the image. I'm going to go up top to width, and I am in the business edition. I'm going to put 7.7, and then it auto resizes to 3.7. I'm going to go up to object. I'm going to mirror it because you mirror it for sublimation. And then I'm also going to rotate it by 90 degrees. And that's the way that I like it, okay? We're going to go ahead, and you actually could put 2 on here if you wanted to do, well, could you put 2? Let's see. Yeah, you could fit 2 on here if you wanted to do 2 mugs. I think that's super cute. Let's print out 2 just in case I want to make me and Maddie one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and print these out. Okay, guys, we have our Go-To Craft Auto Tumbler Press out, and we are going to be using our Make Market Sublimation mugs. This is super cute. I'm really excited about this. We are going to go ahead and try this new mug out with our Auto Tumbler Press. So let's go ahead and get these settings going. All right, let's turn it on. And then we are going to be using the ceramic mug setting. All right, so as that warms up, let's go ahead and get this mug prepped. We're going to clean it off, and then we're going to tape our image on it. I did show you guys how I created the image inside of Canva. It turned out super cute. The color looks great already, but as soon as that heat activates this sublimation, they are for sure going to be popping tint, okay? So let's go ahead and prep this, and get started. So here we have the Make Market Sublimation mug. I actually did a video a while ago on a haul that I got from Michael's, all types of projects, all types of items and different things for projects. So we went ahead and measured it, and as I keep saying, it did come up to about 7.7, but I think for sublimation you always want to go a little bit bigger. So although I did do the 7x7 and 3.7, you want to make it 8 inches in width and 4 inches in height. And then we always clean it off with alcohol and the coffee filters because they do not have any lint. Once it completely dries, we're going to tape our image onto the mug, okay? Okay, so once it's dry, we're going to go ahead and make sure that everything is covering like how it should. I want it to be completely covered, and I might have to make it a little bit taller. Yep, I got to make it taller and wider. So the 3.7, that didn't work. We're going to have to make it larger. Okay, so I printed it out in 8 inches in width and 4 inches in height. And now we have a little wiggle room, okay? So it's completely over. All right. We could have did maybe like 0.8, but we're going to just make sure it's completely over, which is perfectly fine. Okay? It is perfectly fine. So we're going to use this silicone base, and we are going to tape it. So when you're taping your sublimation paper to your substrate, which is your mug, you want to make sure that there's no air in between the paper and the mug so that it could get really, really tight. So tape it however you need to tape it. We are going to put it inside of our heat press, our auto tumbler heat press. Now, we're going to use this to make sure that the handle is close to this. And we are actually going to press this at 400 degrees for 399 seconds, okay? And we're going to press start. And then it's going to close. Perfect. Okay, so now it opens up, and what I like to do is I grab my heat glove and then I take it out, and you can see the color coming through. But because I like to be extra and make sure that it gets the perfect press, I flip it over. Now this is just what I like to do, okay? And then I make sure that it's nice and close to this portion right here so that it can press again, and I press start to have it pressed on the other side. That's just something that I like to do to make sure that it's nice and pressed, okay? And the reason that I like to do it is because if it was a tumbler, it would spin. But since it's a mug, it stays in place. So I flip it over so the other side can get pressed as well. I made that up. That's just something I personally like to do, and it works great. Okay, this time I'm going to just stop it about halfway through, because it looked like it was getting a lot of color before. So I'm just going to stop it and pull it out because it looks like it's doing well. I am going to sit it down so that it can penetrate, and then we're going to do the peel reveal. But it looks like it's going through really, really well. And it looks like we might be happy with it. So we're going to just let it sit for a second and we'll come back. So the heat press goes between 400 and 410 for 399 seconds for the first time. I take it out, flip it, and you could either do an additional 399 seconds for this one because it looks so good the first time. I only did it for about 170 seconds for the second time, okay? Okay, guys, I let it sit and cool down. So now here is the peel reveal, okay? We're going to go ahead and peel this off and see how it turned out. All right. So excited to see how this turns out. I'm so nervous. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. I am so happy with it. Oh my goodness. Okay. So remember, I was nervous because I wanted to make sure that it covered everything, right? This size covered everything. All of the top The top, the bottom, the sides are completely covered, and the colors are popping 10. This looks just like the design inside of Canva. I love it, love it, love it. And what I did was I had it at 400 degrees for $399. And then I had it at 400 degrees. And then I just did it upside down for about 170 seconds. So it turned out great. The colors are popping 10. They're vibrant. They look amazing. Like I always say, this Go-To Craft Auto Tumbler Press never disappoints me. This looks better than I even imagined, and I am so happy with it. The greens are green and yellows are popping, red and green and gold. Oh my goodness, everything looks just like how it looked inside of Canva. I really hope that the camera can pick that up, but this was a wonderful, wonderful project. We did it. Yay! Thank you so much, Go-To Craft. And you guys, these Make Market sublimation mugs have been doing what they were supposed to do. So yay! We did it. Here's another successful Go-To Craft Auto Tumbler Press video. Please leave any questions, comments, concerns down below. Thanks again, Go-To Craft. The link will be down in the description if you want to get your own Go-To Craft Auto Tumbler Press and make awesome tumblers and mugs like I always do with it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye.